Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is the day 23 of our 300 days DSA series. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it and build our approach. So today's problem is string matching in an array. Here we have given an array of string called words and we have to return all string in words that are a substring of another word. We can return the answer in any order. Now let's understand it a bit deeper by taking the example. So let's see the example 1. Here we have given a list with values mass, as, hero, superhero, and the output is as and hero because as is a substring of mass and hero is a substring of superhero. Same as in example 2, we have given the values LeetCode, ET, code, and output is ET and code because ET and code both are the substring of LeetCode. In the example 3, we have given the values blue, green and BU and the output is empty string because no string of words is substring of another string. So now let's see how I approach this problem. So when I was solving this problem, the first thing comes in my mind is that I need to check if my particular value is a substring of another string or not. Now let's suppose I have taken the value mass. So now I'm going to check if it is a substring of another string from my list. If it is, then I'm going to return the output, and if it is not, then I'm going to move forward. So that's what I have done in my code. So firstly I have created an empty list called result which we are going to return in the last. Following that I have run a loop from 0 to length of n, and in that loop the first thing I am doing is to get a particular value and that value I am storing at current. Thereafter I am making a temporary list in which all values will be there except the particular value which I have taken. Thereafter I am going to check if the particular value which I have chosen is a substring of any other string from my list. If it is, then I am going to add it in my result list. Otherwise we will move forward, and in the last we will going to return the result list. Now let's understand it more deeper by taking the example 1. So in the first run my value of current will be mass, and in my temporary list I will have all the values except mass. So now I'm going to check if my mass is a substring of any string from my temporary list. If it is, then I'm going to add it in my result. If it is not, then I'm going to move forward. So as we know, mass is not a substring of any string, so we are going to move forward, and in the next run I will going to get current as s, and in temporary list I will have the values mass, hero, superhero, and then we are going to check if s is a substring of any values from my list, and we know s is a substring of mass. So now in my result we are going to add s. In the next run we are going to get hero, and in temporary list we will have all the values except hero. Thereafter we are going to check if hero is a substring or not, and as we can see hero is a substring, so we are going to add hero in my result list. Moving forward my current will become superhero now, and in my temporary list I will have mass, as and hero. Then we are again going to check if my superhero is a substring or not, and as we can see superhero is not a substring. So in this time we are not going to move forward because we have completed our loops. Now in the last we are going to return the result list, and in result list we have as and hero. So that's how I solve this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, write it on comment, and thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.